Internal whispers in the quiet desk where shadows blend. Beneath the star where dreams ascend. I find your presence in the gentle air. A whisper of love, a moment rare. Your laughter dances like the evening breeze. A melody that puts my restless heart at ease. In every corner of this moonlit night, I see your spirit, a guiding light. With every heartbeat, time slows its race in your gaze. I find my scared place, a universe spin within your eyes, reflecting the depth of endless skies. We walk through gardens hand in hand, where flowers bloomed a vibrant band, each petal soft, each scent a sigh, a testament to love that will not die. You are the sun that warms my soul, the missing piece that makes my whole. In every touch, a spark ignites, a fusion of hearts, a dance of lights. When the world grows weary and shadows fall, I hear your name, it answers my call. In the silence that stretches west and wide, I find you waiting right by my side. Time may age us, lines may trace, but love, my dear, will leave no trace. For in the depth of our intertwined fate, we carve our story as we navigate. Through storms and calm, through joy and strife, you are my partner, my love, my life. In laughter shared and in tears we shed, our hearts beat as one where angels tread. The moonlight bathes your gentle face in its silver glow. I find my grace, your whispers waves through the fabric of night. Each word a promise, each vow a light. With you, I have learned the art of trust. In every moment, in every guest, we have climbed the peaks. We have crossed the streams together, we chase our wildest dreams. Let the seasons change and the rivers flow. In the garden of love, we'll continue to grow with roots intertwined and blossoms that bloom in the heart's quiet corners. We'll find our room, and when the stars fade with the dawn's first light, I'll hold you close through the fading night. For love is not bound by time or space. In every lifetime, I'll seek your face. Through ancient lands and modern skies, in every language, in every guise, I'll find you waiting as always before in the tapestry of life. You are my core. As dawn breaks gently with colors so bright, each moment with you is a pure delight. We'll paint our dreams on the canvas of day, with strokes of laughter come what may. In the rhythm of life, we'll dance our song with every note. will grow more strong through every challenges, through every grace. I'll hold your heart in my warm embrace. With every sunset as the day bids adieu, I'll whisper softly. I cherish you in the stillness that follows. I'll close my eyes, and in that silence, our love will rise. For love is a journey, a path we create. In every moment, it's never too late. With each new dawn, our hearts intertwine in the tapestry of fate. Your love is mine, so let us journey through valleys and peaks in the language of love. Our hearts shall speak with hands entwined and spirits set free. You are my heart's home, my destiny. In the autumn's embarrass as the leaves turn gold, I'll find in your eyes the warmth of our hold. In the winter's chill, when the world is still, I'll wrap you in love with unweary will. As spring brings renewal and blossoms arise will dance in the sun. Beneath open skies, each moment a treasure, each laugh a refrain. In this life we have woven will break every chain. Through the tapestry of year will wave our dreams. In every soft whisper, in every shared gleam. And when twilight comes with its gentle sigh, I love you furiously until the stars die. For in every heartbeat, in every sigh, our love is the answer, the reason why. In the grand symphony of all that we do, I'll forever be lost in the depths of you. As we grow older, let the memories flow in the garden of time. Our love will sow with roots so deep and branches that sway. Together, my love, will find our way. So here's to forever to the moments we share. In every adventure, in every prayer, with each breath, I'll hold you near. For you are my love, my life, my dear. And when the stars fade with the dawn's first light, I'll cherish you more with each passing night. For love is a promise, a bond so true. In this vast universe, I'll always choose you.